so creepy thing. I don't know what is this creepy thing, but let's see. First, like, share, subscribe. We are going there. Then I meet with you. Bye. So guys, we are come finally this place, but it is no looking Dubai Mall, and also I can't see there anything. What the fuck is that? I can't see there anything. Just explore some. What the hell? There is dark. You cannot see anything here. I am scared. Come on, Muhammad. Oof. In down is fat. Inside is very things, bro. I give Muhammad. Are you gonna see? Muhammad, take it. Come, follow me. Bro, look, focus here. Bro, it is so dangerous. What he's telling? Come. Focus here. Look what he's telling. This is your last day. What the hell? Come. Show there. Look what is this. Bro, maybe Pennywise. It is Pennywise Hotel. It has so there. Oh, blood. Here, look. Come. There is something. There is also blood. Come here. Give me. I show him. Look. There. Maybe you cannot see there. Hey, who is he? Run! Bro, there, where we can go? There is up floor. Are you gonna see? You can see it. Let's go up floor. Come. Pennywise! Oh my goodness! I don't know that is coming. Oh my goodness! Oh! We are stay there. We are tell you again. So guys, there is coming so dangerous sound. Muhammad is there, and we are going to explore second floor. First bro, there is lightning. Let's go find something else. Where other? Come. Everyone is come. There is so much dark. Anyone see here anything? But we can see. But you maybe are you gonna not see? You cannot see. Bro, we want to go second floor. We want to park. This so dark and Wasim, where are you? Why are you take so long? Everywhere is. Yeah. Come. Come, Asim. Muhammad, not scared. Come. Come. We are explore this place later. We are explore this place later. Now explore second. Come.
Hey.
No, I'm gonna see him in video. We cannot see him on the our eyes, but we can see him. It is Pennywise. Pennywise! He's only captured in the. Come, Muhammad! Come fast! Muhammad! Come up! Come! Here, find him! Pennywise is there! Come fast! Bro, it's so psycho, leave him! Bro! It is so mental! Someone eat him, then what we should do? Can us go up? What? Bro. Yo, this hotel is so scary. There is everywhere is dark. Right, Asim? Bro. Are you gonna see him? What is this light? His Pennywise is up. What? I'm scared, right? I'm so scared. Are you scared? Some negative vibe is coming, right? Why are you not telling anything? Are you gonna know? There is building and there is so horror place. Let's go any room. Let's go. This room number is 101. Oh my goodness. It is so scary. What is this? Bro. Just we want to explore one place more, right? This dark place. Right? Come fast. After this we are run from here very fast. Maybe Muhammad is gone from here. We are going this dark place, then we are open mic. Now that time is anyone in there. What? Leave. Guys, now just we want to explore it. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. We are not scared anything, right? We are scared only Allah. After this, bro, I'm scared. Yeah, I'm scared of Allah. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. What? Bro, I'm so scared. I'm only scared for Allah, but this place is like it. There is white. Maybe we are come out, right? Bro, it is so here. There is guards. What we should do? I'm not joking. There is anyone. It is that much secret place. There is no guards, no anyone. Let's go out. Anyways. 1 minute. Finally, I give you my intro. So guys, finally we are came from this scary place. Show him this scary place. Bro, now we are also capture this horror guy. Sir Pennywise. Bro. So next, for next series, like, share, subscribe. Everybody knows it. चलो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो और जो भी तुमको आता है करो और लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करके जाना, तो फिर ही तो मैं ऐसी वीडियो ला पाऊंगा, वरना तो मेरा चैनल ही डिलीट कर दे। तो अगला होने वाला है प्रिजन स्केप, तो उसके लिए कौन कौन वेट कर रहा है मुझे बताओ। और आप चाहते हो कि अगर मैं इस वाली पेनीवाइज सीरीज़ का चैप्टर 2 भी लाऊं तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट में बता दें। ओके बाय।